Hey guys, welcome back to another Nadine West unboxing. After my last one, I did go in and change my style profile and took dresses off since I never wear the dresses. But I didn't change it before they shipped this out. So here we have a Nadine West unboxing. If you're not familiar, Nadine West is a clothing subscription service where you fill out a style profile and then every month a stylist picks out so many items and sends them to you. You have so many days to try them on, decide what you want to keep, what you don't want. You stick it back in the bag, and there's a self-addressed shipping label already in there. You stick it back on there and you send it back, and then you only get charged for what you keep. So yeah, there we have it. So, okay, that's a necklace. Usually they're wrapped in bundles. This one's kind of out of a bundle. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It kind of came out of the wrapper. 5. Okay. Let me grab the paper. So it says top, bottom necklace. So let's see. We'll find the first thing. It says Heather Gray. This top is called the Jeanette Scoop Neck Round Hem Top in Heather Gray. It's $34.49. Oh, that's cute. So here's this. That's really cute. I guess I tag off in there. So the front has the scoop neck with a couple ties, and then the back actually has 2 little cutouts. Dude, that's super cute. It looks flowy. Always, their stuff is always so stretchy. That's really cute. So that's the first item. Let me zoom you out a little bit. Mine went in too far. I have the window open. I'm in front of the window, so it's super bright out. Today's like the perfect day. It's blue skies, big, huge, fluffy white clouds, and it's only like in the low to mid 60s. That's my kind of weather. Next up in here, we'll do this with the top. This is, I think it says, the ink's kind of like wore out. I think it says Tenley in Ash Mint. It's $27.99. That's a good way to describe the color, like an ash mint, because it is a mint, but it's not like a super bright, like greenish mint. This almost looks big. It's a medium. That's what I have all my sizes in. So here's this like little cardigan sweater. Full length sleeves. I just put the kids down for naps. And Allie's in there like singing and talking. So it's full length sleeves. It has are these buttons or snaps? Oh, they're snaps. Snaps down the front. So it's like a V-neck. Cute. Next up in here we have, is there another top? We'll do the tops first. This is the Rosie in something flower in $25.99. I can't tell what it says. Well, that's pretty cute too. It's like a nice, oh cute. It's like a nice like dressy t-shirt. So it has the V-neck. It has a front pocket. And then the front has this little tie-like thing. Like a little knot. That's cute. So it has the knot in the front. It's an off-white with the green and pink flowers. There you go, you can see it better. That's really cute. So that's it for the tops. And then we have, oh my gosh, last bag. I got a light gray dress. Yeah, and I was hoping it was a t-shirt. This isn't a t-shirt, but so this is, I wouldn't even say that's blue. These are the Talia in blue for $21.99. And these are so cute. To me, they look like a light gray. I guess they are like a bluish gray. What is that thing? Layered waistband for shaping and support, 4-way stretch fabric, ultimate tummy control. It has this little Is that like maybe to stick your phone in the very back? I don't know. That's like right in the back. But these are super cute. They're this really light gray, slight mint color. Or I mean slight, like a bluish gray. Look at the side. And underneath those little X's is mesh. So you're not seeing your like skin through those little cutouts. They're a little less risque. And like I think it makes them a little bit more nicer looking when you're not seeing your skin through there. Those are cute. What brand is this? Shosho. It has the S on the back. So it says blue, but to me these are like a light gray with the tiniest hint of blue. Oh my gosh, my phone's going crazy. So there are those. I love those. Sorry, my sister just texted me. And then last for clothing, these are the bottoms. What does that say? Rui and charcoal for $28.99. Oh, these are cute. So like these charcoal gray. Oh, it looks like they're cropped. Are they cropped or are they full length? Premium joggers. So it has the string around the waist and they're elastic. It has pockets. The bottom has a cuff, but it's like a wider cuff. These are cute. I'm trying to decide if they're gonna be full length or like, oh they are, they're full length. Yay! These are really cute. They're like joggers, but not the big baggy thick ones either. They're like thinner material. I like these. I'm impressed. I'm really loving the leggings in this bag. Or the pants, the bottoms, whatever I'm gonna call them. So there's that. And then last but not least, we have a necklace. I just about bashed my face on the corner of the chair. So this is a necklace. It says Swarovski Ultimate Treasure in clear. It's $44.99. This is awesome. This is so awesome. So it has almost this, it's like a twisted chain. Do you see how it looks like it's twisted? Look at the stone. That is so pretty and sparkly. It's, oh my gosh, I love that. There we go. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness, that's so sparkly and pretty. I love it. Yay! Now I get to go try all this stuff on. Oh my gosh, I love that. Yay, this is a really good bag. What is on the front of my car? Sorry. So yeah, now I get to go try all this stuff on. So I'll be back to show you what everything looks like on. Okay guys, so here is the shirt. It has these cute cutouts. I actually kind of like them. I didn't think I would, because I thought it would be like too much, but I kind of like it. So yeah, that's the neckline, and then the back has the little cutouts also. So there's those. Sorry, it's super late, so I don't have any daylight. It's like 11 p.m. I think. I don't know. Then here are the leggings. I really like the leggings. They have the crisscrosses down the side with the mesh behind it, so it's not showing your leg. And I love the color, like this bluish grayish color. I really like the color. They're super, well, not super high, but they're pretty high. Well, you see they have like that thick band. I have boy short underwear on, so you can see them through there. So that's not the best choice. And it has like this little pocket back here. I'm assuming you can stick your phone in it if you're like out jogging. So yeah, it has like this pocket in the back, in the waistband. So yeah, here's the legging, and they're full length. Super cute, super comfy. cardigan doesn't really go with either outfit that I got, so I'll just throw it on with this. Because it'll probably go better with this shirt than it would with the floral shirt. I don't really know what I think of this. Like, I think it'd be cuter like with a white tank top on it, but I didn't get like a white shirt, so I'm just trying on what I got. So it's just this striped, horizontal striped cardigan with snaps. And they're actual snaps, not decoration. So yeah, here's, it's actually pretty decent length. I don't know, maybe I'd wear it like the beginning of fall. I don't know. But it's just this like teal mint color with white stripes. So here's that outfit. I love the leggings. I love the gray shirt. And just, you guys, what do you think about this cardigan? Yes or no? I don't know. I don't know. You tell me. It's nice. It's like lightweight, so it's not thick and heavy. I don't know. You tell me in the comments. Okay, guys. Here's this shirt. It's this V-neck shirt, and it has the thin little pocket. I don't know about this one. It has like the I don't even know, it's not really a knot. It just kind of looks like a knot. It's just how it's made, so you can't like untie it. That's just how it is. So there's like a little knot in the front, and then the back's a little bit longer. And then these are the pants. Like I said, they're like joggers, but they're not baggy, but they're not like fitted and super tight like leggings. They have pockets, they have the drawstring, they're full length, and they have a cuff. They're just not super tight or anything, and they're just a dark charcoal gray. I kind of like these for like around the house. They don't have back pockets, just the front pockets. Like I said, the shirt, it just has that. Oh, here you can see it has the drawstrings, so you can tie it. So yeah, here's this outfit. It's actually kind of cute. The gray pants kind of match this grayish greenish color. I mean, they go together pretty good. So yeah, like I said, here's that shirt with a little pocket. Yeah, that is everything from June's. Nadine West. I think it's June's. I mean, I know it's June's, but I don't know if I got 2 in June or just 1. So I usually just do them by number. So yeah, as always, I thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment down below what you like the best out of all of the items. And I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.